I'm Miss Kelly. What's your name?
Bùi Thanh Lam.
How are you today?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 8.
What color do you like?
Pink.
Okay. Is it a teddy?
No,
No,
it isn't.
it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Is it a notebook?
Yes, it is.
Is it a desk?
No, it isn't.
Is it a puppet?
Yes, it is.
What's this?
Mm.
What's this?
It,
Okay, what color is it?
black.
What's this?
Um,
What's this?
pink.
What color is it?
White.
What's this?
Apple.
What color is it?
Green.
Very good. What's this?
Red.
Desk. What color is it?
Yellow.
What's this?
Car.
What color is it?
Blue.
What's this?
Hat.
What color is it?
Green.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.